Welcome to Aaron's Hobby T-Shirts Art and Design. This video is going to be my one of two videos will come out, and I don't know when, but it's going to be for the 4th of July, and this one will be just simple fireworks. And drawn designs like this one, or if you order from my store, they would be a little bit different, but not much different. So I just going to tell you that if you order your own design, I will try to do my best to make it look the same. This is the update right here. And then, I don't know what they're going to look like till the end, but that's what it looks like so far. So, yep. See you on the next update. This is an update again. You got a month to order this shirt. Please order it. So, hope you like this shirt, and hope you order this shirt, and that link will be down below for all my social media and website and all that stuff. So make sure you check out that website and stuff. This what I got done so far, and the next clip is an update, and I added some stuff to it. So hope you like it. This way I'm going to show you what I added to this shirt on this clip. So I just wanted to tell you that this is end of the shirt. So hope you like this shirt so far. It's done, and it's $9 for this shirt. And please share this information and other information of mine about my business, my website, or whatever, to share it. And